Hello everyone, welcome to Twin Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
That's good. I want to support me now. But no, that's not what we are doing. We're actually bashing the victim. I want to say, yes, what a woman about or something.
Yeah, but I didn't even know the guy is back to the wife. When you got him after the so that she would not, it won't end her life. I didn't know the man is even back to the wife, to the ex-wife.
Honestly, he has gone back to the ex-wife, you know. So most of I mean, if they didn't allow him, you know, to do things and get away with it, the man would have tried to repent or something. But obviously, that's not the case. You know, we that we are growing up, we that we are, you know, we have these people as our mentors, as our role models, the people we are looking up to. Even one generation that is our generation, that is this, our generation. But actually, we are thinking happening, and the way, you know, they are enabling these people. It both ways. That's all Korean are so bearing. Everybody is just misbehaving, and especially in marriages, and they're getting away with it, and nobody is saying anything. So we'll just listen to it on social media, we'll laugh about it, and we'll keep it moving. But this is something that is really, really affecting the grassroots in our society.
Yes.
But nobody is doing anything about it. We'll just talk about it, and we'll keep it moving. So it's really, really sad. But I hope everything, you know, eventually works out well for them. Eventually,
with them, I be with her. You said the man has found his feet back. With her. She's the one that needs help now.
She's
the one that needs. She has paid the price of what she did. Now is the support she needs now. Thank you so much.
But I wish her well. I wish her recovery. Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Yes, ma.
Hey, you ever bash woman at this stage, Joe? She needs love. She needs support. And I hope our friends will not say, we told you. That is our problem as a people. We told you. There was a time I was trying to tell somebody something I was going through. Instantly, was, I mean, don't tell me you told me. I don't want to hear that word. If you told me, if it's going to happen, it's going to. Don't tell me you told me. But this is what I'm going through. I just need somebody to talk to. Not because I want you to tell me you told me. Because that thing is like using armor to bank something that is paining somebody. And we are fond of that thing anyway, as a people. Don't tell me you told me. If I go, I told you. If I miss your call, I'll call you back. I'm calling back.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Aunty Adunni, how are you doing, ma'am?
I'm very good, thank you. Please try and make it brief so that I can pick other people's calls too.
I'm sorry, say that again?
I said try and make it brief, please.
Oh, okay, I will.
Allow other callers
brief? I'm going to try.
Okay, go ahead.
But one thing is this, Auntie. Yeah, please. I don't even know where to start. But let me make one correction real quick. Because I heard you when you said she was probably one of those that won a visa lottery in those days or something like that.
No, somebody have. Okay, go ahead and correct it. What is it?
Now, I'm saying this because I know her. I mean, I'm not going to say I know her, but at the same time, I know her a little bit.
You know them?
Now, Auntie, no. Listen, Auntie. I'm not going to say I know her.
Please, if you are going to bash the lady, don't talk. I don't want anybody that will bash this lady. Hey, Joe.
No, I'm not bashing her. No, don't get me wrong, Auntie. No, I'm not bashing her.
Okay.
No, am I getting it wrong?
All right.
I'm not bashing her. What I'm trying to say is this. I was trying to say I know how she gets to the US. So, Kisha visa lottery, that's number one.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. You are correcting that.
Now, number two is this. Yes, I'm correcting that. And again, I think you made mention earlier that the video went viral like 5 years ago or something. No, it wasn't her. It was his ex.
Oh, the video they were saying that went viral was the ex.
That went viral.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, I was going to give this lady's name, her name is Kudi. I was going to give her excuse.
You mean this lady we are talking of?
When you women are looking for how to get a child, you go, you guys are desperate.
Yes.
Anything comes your way, you take.
You embrace, yes.
Any insult, whatever. So that's why I'm giving her the excuse. right?
Okay.
Now, somebody made mention earlier that she was involved in an accident and she won, insurance gave her some money. It is true.
It is true.
They married, they did. Yeah, absolutely correct.
They say about $60,000.
$60,000. It was far more than $60,000, Aunty Adunni.
Wow.
Because she herself, she used $60,000 to finance the wedding.
Ha!
Now, she now gave the guy $20,000 cash and some other wo. Are you getting me, Auntie?
I'm getting
you. Now, that's why I told you, little for me. Let me just say what I know, which I know. I'm not going to say what I didn't know about her. Now, remember I said I was going to give her excuse before.
Yes.
But the reason why I'm not going to give her excuse again, Cherry, people say love is blind, love is blind. That is if you choose not to see it.
Love is not blind, Ijere. We are the one that is crazy. We are the one that is stupid.
If you choose not to see it, it might be blind. Do you understand? Just like people have been saying earlier, this lady has been saying series of things that this guy has been doing to his ex. But at the same time, this guy is still good in Tioma, I don't know, voodoo. I don't believe in it, but those that believe in it, I believe that. So I give her that excuse. And again, somebody made mention earlier that this guy went back to his ex.
Yeah, they mention it now.
Now, Auntie, it is true.
Ha.
But now, is she now accepting fully? I cannot say. Are you getting me? But one thing is this, Auntie. If she accepts her fully, that's the reason why I'm not going to give this Kudi excuse no more. Ask me why. You see, this same guy, Auntie, he went to his ex job where she used to work. Won't save a lot, right? This guy reported her to the police. Are you getting me? Now the police went there. Yes, the police went there. This lady was arrested. She was handcuffed. This stupid guy made a video and photo and pictures. This is your baby mother. And now a stupid lady now will now accept that kind of a man back. I'm sorry, I'm a man. Are you getting me? I don't think I can go that far.
Can I get you? Hold on, so that we can get you where. The guy released the nude of the ex-wife.
I'm sorry, say that again?
You said the guy released the nude of the ex-wife at a point.
No, don't get me wrong. Get me wrong. No, not the nude. I said where the ex was working.
Okay.
She was using somebody's ex's papers to work.
Okay.
For the work permit.
Okay.
This guy now reported her to the police. The police now went there. So he gave the police all the information she was using to work.
Wow.
Sure, you get me? The police now went there. This lady was arrested and handcuffed. Now, this guy was on the side, on the corner, video coverage, everything. And yes. Now, when he got home, he showed this to Kudi again.
Wow.
That he made Kudi to know that he was the one behind the lady's
issue. Wow.
So that's why I said, if this lady now embrace him back again, that's why I'm not going to give Kudi excuse no more. That's why I said, people say love is blind, but if you choose not to see it, because if a man, that's why I said I'm a man. I don't think I can never go to that
she
level.
was aware while that guy was doing all that to the ex-wife.
Thank you.
Oh, that was too much.
So a lot has been going on.
That was
on
too
the social
much.
media about them.
Sure,
and don't get to know, Angie. She did 8 IVF Loshio and 1 surrogate. But the IVF was 8. What did you surrogate your account? Now, what my Nigeria Losheni, this guy will abandon her again. Are you getting me? We abandon her and go with all those Agberu boys, Ulomo and whatever, stuff like that. And they tolerate it to happen in our own life.
Paring.
Hey, so good, she honorable. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. She ride dick like a carnival.
Check it, man.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I wanted to when
Somebody said it was because the Yale refused to continue to give him a paycheck.
I'm sorry?
Somebody said because the Yale was not giving him paycheck. Lo ṣe kó bá Yale.
Oh, well, yes, that's another one. That's another one. You understand? And even until you're not going to believe when they did wedding, right, it was this guy that dictated. He was the one who dictated the kind of clothes they're going to take. Asho, okay, he was the one to move. He was the one that sold all the Asho. But this was the lady that grew locally. To the extent that even he was trying to collect money from this lady's mother. Lady was like, no, I think I'll go lower mommy me. That's what I say to me. I don't think it is ordinary. You understand? It is not ordinary. That I know. It is not ordinary. You understand? I pity her being a man. That's why I don't want to blame her much because I know when women are looking for children, child, they can go.
But she shouldn't have supported what the man is doing. She shouldn't have gotten herself involved.
That's another mistake.
Against the wife,
because of
as
time,
mother of his children.
Because of time. Because of time, if I tell you, I can tell you.
Go ahead, please. It's like you know them, so please go ahead. You know I don't know. I can't tell of nasty things that this guy does on Facebook, and this Kudi will be in support of him. But the situation she is right now, because we never know, she might be listening to this chat right now. Okay.
Then
you come out was in situation.
But she was supporting and he don't get it wrong. This guy also is speaking on Facebook. Whenever he's doing his nasty thing, right? Kudi she's one of his admin. She's one of his admin. You understand? Cutting people, abusing people, attacking people. But like I said, we don't want to go there now because of our health.
My head cannot comprehend this thing.
Now, I don't think people are saying she should go back to him. I don't think so. And when okay. I'm sorry to say this.
No, please go ahead. Because you don't go because I was seeing some people you want the woman to buy there?
Auntie, let me tell you, just like you said earlier, last week Wednesday, today is Sunday, right?
Yes.
This past Wednesday was supposed to be their date interview somewhere in Baltimore.
Yes, somebody sent that document to me.
They were supposed to go.
Yes,
yeah, they were
on
supposed
the 5th.
To go for you're supposed to get the 10 years.
Whatever. 10 years, but
at the same time, this guy has been taken to custody 8 different times for abusing this lady. For abusing Kudi. You understand? He was locked up twice. So you don't feel remove so they can now talk of giving him 10 years.
Okay, maybe that is why they are trying to calm the lady now. Because these people are not joking anymore. You go for interview, they want to see the person you marry. That person has to be there. They will ask you for something that will link you to that person. So, citizenship,
Auntie, allow me to say this.
Uncle, hold on. Citizenship now. Not citizenship yet.
No. 2 years. As we speak, America, as we speak,
Benny, with what is on
because
ground.
10 years, so you call Shake you understand? I'm sorry?
Because if at this point, when he's about to do his renewal, he's now doing this one. At this time, Orange Man is not joking.
Auntie, don't forget, I made mention of one thing. I said, this is not ordinary. And anything that goes around must surely comes around. You understand? This thing is not based on real love. Until with common sense. First of all, do you even know, as we speak, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure this lady, she's like 10 years older than him.
Yeah, some people said that she's older, but that does not really matter anyway. Everything was supposed
10 years older than him, because this lady is in early 50s. Lady, she's in early 50, maybe 52 or 53. You understand? But boy, I'm not sure it's up to 40. If it's 40, maybe early 40. So the age difference is nothing less than 10 years. You understand? Now, I don't seem to get it.
Young ladies, please learn from this. Hey.
I don't age difference gan
Age difference is even much. 5 will go per year. Maybe 1 or 2 is still okay. Or maximum 3. Even 3 you're going to share. But I'm a bunch of no, but
it's nothing less than 10 years.
You know desperation when you to be alone.
Baby, boy. And yet you still tolerate that kind of.
And you allow this guy to be treating you that way. Okay, now, so the children of this man, the mother of those children are actually in US, and she took those children under her custody.
Until let me tell you, hold on. This guy has 5 children.
Oh, not
4
even 4
girls and a boy. No, 5 children, 4 boys. 4 girls and a boy. The boy's last name is Koyum. You understand? That's the boy. But boy, if I don't think it's 100% okay. Let me put it that way. I don't know. I mean, call on Dominica Lucas. Now, out of those 5 children, I'm not 100% sure either it's 3 ladies or 2 ladies.
Oh.
It's either 3 or 2. Yes, that I'm sure. But most likely 3 women. Now 4 of those are here. Hey, your country one Nigeria. Are you getting me?
Yes.
He has even told this Likudi to file for the one in Nigeria. The last one in Nigeria. He already told her to file for him to come in again. That's why she said no, she's not going to do that. That she has the mother too. She understand that his mother should, look for the body, the child's affair or something like that. So this, cut your long story short, Auntie.
They said 3 women.
This guy has been like it. I'm sorry?
Somebody said 3 women gave birth to the children for him.
I know. I'm sure of 2. But I don't know. But most likely 3, no, most likely. But I know he has 5 children, 4 girls and 1 boy. That I know of. So, like I was saying, Auntie, he's also a speaker on Facebook, and he has been doing series of things that this lady know what he's doing. Somebody that came to the house, that came to the public that I want you to live, what the house, and stuff like that. At the end of the day, you went and rent the house. That's even a lot of things, Auntie. A lot of things that has going on. But I'm just happy for her. Now, I was going to say something. I want people to just, this is my own opinion. This is my own opinion.
Go ahead, please.
If she's ready to forgive this guy, right? Forgive Momini Penny, not to continue her life with her. Don't get me wrong, go. Forgive also not to continue her life with her or future with. Not to continue her future with him. Because forgive Momini Penny to because they are waiting for her to come and sign certain documents.
Wọ́n máa use lady
now to back law, Auntie. I'm sorry.
Wọ́n máa use any. If she should make that mistake, they want to use her knee.
Auntie, let me tell you one thing you don't know. Let me tell you one thing. You see, most of those top affairs in Nigeria have been calling this lady. Most of those top people that have been calling her a lot of them bad back there. If I were her, could be one condition. Go to waste the wedding and everything.
Where is he going to get it?
No. That's what I'm saying. I could go on condition, Auntie. That's why she's going to scare them.
But that's going to be on her. That's a good idea. I support it. Yes.
Go condition. Not 60,000 for wedding. Over 20,000. Go insurance it off. Go low lavish.
Kó dá gbogbo ẹ̀ padà tó bá fẹ́ kó sign paper kó support ẹ̀ tí ó bá fẹ́ kó cancel paper ni. That's a good one.
Do you know one thing again?
Go ahead.
Do you know one thing again?
Go ahead.
Do you know this lady? She was so foolish. She followed him to Nigeria. Please go ahead. A lot has happened, Aunty Adunni. A lot has happened within the but like I said,
she should not pick the call of anybody.
So she was desperate.
She should not pick their calls. She should not pick their calls. She should not pick their calls. Because giving that condition is still like giving them chance to continue to beg her. Beg her for what?
Exactly.
Beg her for what?
Exactly.
Exactly. And she has to be very careful.
That's another thing. That's another thing.
You
As a matter of fact, the guy that even brought, I can come out of the guy that I fired for her that brought him to this America.
That brought the lady here.
Yes, the guy is late now. Unfortunately, he's late. Bidemi. You understand? It was Bidemi's mother that introduced Kudi to Bidemi. Are you getting me? It was that late Bidemi, that Bidemi, it was his mother who introduced Kudi to Bidemi. Then Kudi was in Nigeria. But she was so gentle, calm, and responsible then when she was growing up. That was why
she looks like she still looks calm to me.
I'm sorry?
She still looks calm to me.
I'm sorry? Yes.
I said she still looks like a calm lady to me.
I don't want to go there. The calmness, I don't want to go there. I got love for now. Compared to when I was saying, you understand? Compared to like maybe 30, 20 something
when she was
years
younger
ago that I was talking about.
Okay.
Sure, you understand? Oyato. Because at the end of the day, anything sorrow.
Maybe somebody will get one lesson, or maybe somebody is about to make the kind of mistake she made. You understand? We don't know her. We are not fighting for her. We are just being empathetic. But from all this, somebody might be about to make the same mistake she made. So this will be like a checkmate. Please go ahead and talk, sir.
I'm just, you see, one thing is this. My opposite gender, Tom Gwemilale. Yoruba man sọ̀rọ̀ kan wá ní gbogbo tó ń dán gẹ́gẹ́ bí dígí kọ́ ní wúrà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Not all that glitter is gold.
Thank you, Aunty. Òyìnbó pọ̀.
Yìí ni mo fi jọ. Bó ṣe ń sẹ́, ó ń sẹ́. Go ahead, sir.
Now, you see, this guy
all right, Grace.
Deceived many people on social media.
I got you.
And in truth, to me fin. You understand?
Benny.
I was telling someone earlier today, but I'm sorry. Money, I can't believe this guy will come on social media and said he approached Kudi when she was on wheelchair with just open mind for nothing to gain from her. You understand?
When he went to toast her, she was on wheelchair. You were mentioning something about wheelchair.
Auntie, when this lady had an accident,
okay,
that was when the guy went to her. Met her. So she was on wheelchair then. She was on wheelchair then. Now that's why now every assistance that someone that's sick or what is it called, handicap would need to get on her feet. He rendered all those assistance.
That is why she fell in love with him then.
Say that again?
That was why she fell in love with him.
Thank you.
Because it was there for her at a vulnerable time. But he has a mission, but she doesn't know. She might be like, any toti shele for me, somebody that can take care of me at this my vulnerable time, clean me up, take care of me and all that.
Auntie, I'm not going to buy that, what you just said, that maybe she don't know. Like I told you earlier, the only excuse I'm giving this lady is that because she was desperate. That's the only excuse
you can't blame her for that too. My darling brother, on that note, sir, I as a woman, I can say you cannot blame her. When a woman is looking for children, they are very, very vulnerable to men. Please.
Thank you.
No matter the same time, please. They are vulnerable.
Let me tell you one thing real quick. And if I see you as a lady, right? And I approach you, my first time I'm going to find from you your ex. What happened? So how did you treat me? I don't expect you to tell me everything. The you was going to give far by the Omarimu. After I now make my new investigation, that will not conclude. Now, this thing was not hidden to Kudi. She saw everything that this guy did to his ex on social media. You recorded your ex and posted it on social media. You recorded this. I'm not even talking of when he went to his job. I mean, to her job. This was way before when they started this argument with the ex. He recorded everything. That
love is in the air, in the whisper of the trees.
Aside between him and his ex, then he now posted it on social media. Now you this Kudi, you saw it, and you still went.
Oda Babami, it is Oh yeah, let's give other people chance to talk.
Right,
I'm really giving you enough time. Thank you so much. I hope people are getting something from all of this. We really have to be very careful out there. No, sorry, I've missed a lot of people's call. Where do I start from now? I've missed a lot of calls. Sorry, I will try and call as you call, but please try and be very, don't take too long.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Second, hold on, Abby.
You know, go ahead, man.
Go
ahead. Kí lẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ bó ṣe gbàwé fún. Owó nǹkan kọ́ la máa jẹ́ kán tún síta. Kí lẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ bó ṣe gbàwé fún. Ẹ̀kọ́ fi lè kó bá. Purposely, ẹ má bínú. Àwọn kan tó ń sọ pé mi jẹ́ kán sọ̀rọ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ gbọ́ bó ṣe get ìwé. Èmi ò dẹ̀ jẹ́ kán sọ̀rọ̀ ń pa yẹn mú mo mọ̀ kọ́ àárín yẹn. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ní màdá. Nobody should call my 347. Ẹ má pè 347 mi, mo ti pin ní nọ́mbà. Ẹ má bà show yìí jẹ́ now. Mo ń gbọ́ yín mà, wọ́n ń pe nọ́mbà tí ò yẹ kán pè ní. Mo ń gbọ́ yín. Ẹ jọ English, so I don't have to translate.
Hello?
English, can you speak English? Yes, please, English.
Hello?
English. Lè máa fi fóònù méjì gbọ́ mi kẹ́ máa ṣe hello.
Hello, okay,
If you have to call me, don't use two phones. Don't be listening to me and be talking to me. The frequency is not the same thing, okay? The frequency is not always the same thing, so it's causing confusion. If you are calling me, turn off the other gadgets. Hey, Joe, so that we can do it the right way.
Aunty Adunni.
Good evening, sir. English, please.
Aunty Adunni, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you, ma?
Fine.
My name is Ike.
You're welcome.
Aunty Adunni, I'm disappointed. I'm a little bit disappointed in you.
Go ahead.
And I will tell you the reason.
Is allowed.
I will tell you the reason.
Okay.
Don't be biased. But I'm talking to you like a big sister. I'm sure you can be more than my big sister. Because I'm in my early 40s. Aunty Adunni,
then I'm your big sister times 2 or 3.
Tell us how Nigerian pastors have been duping people in their churches. But it's so painful to me that you are having sympathy for this lady. Why?
Did you start? Hold on.
To plant a yam and reap maize? That is the question.
Okay, do you want me to answer at this point? Or you still have more questions?
I'm hearing you.
For your first question, so that I won't forget, for your first question, that I'm being biased, I'm having sympathy for her.
Yes.
If you follow the video from the beginning, I said I don't know the lady, I saw the story, and I had some people begging her to go back. Do they want her to go and fight with the man? To go back and do what? And people came out to come and explain how she got to know the man. And even at that, I'm still going to be empathetic with her. I stand on that as a woman. Not because I want to support women as women supporting women. Okay. No. But even based on the little information that has been put out there, that woman was taken advantage of. So if that is your disappointing, it's okay.
The guy that just finished spoke now, he told us a lot of secret behind this relationship. Then what do you expect from that relationship?
What do I expect from the relationship? I am not the one to judge that. I am not the one to give karma to anybody.
It is, you can't plant maize and be expecting.
But can you just listen? Did you hear how they get to meet? Did you understand? Did you hear where that guy told us how they met each other? This lady had accident. This guy came as a helper, helping her. A woman will fall in love with such man. The same thing a man